guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to see how I have made this magnetic shield. This magnetic shield I've made, this was kind of hard. This I've made with two cardboard pieces joined with each other, and I have attached a magnet to it, and I have taken this watch and attached a magnet to it. I have used hot glue gun, sellotape, double-sided tape to attach this thing, stick this thing. Time to paint this thing was 1 or 2 hours, and this you have to take 2 magnets, 2 cardboard sheets and paint. So when we join each other, it sticks. It is very strong magnet because it has very strong magnetic force or field, magnetic field. Like this. Now I am going to show how I wear this thing. Like this, you have to take watch, and I have to wear this watch. This is not watch. I have broken this watch and made this thing out of the broken watch. Like this. You can, I have tightened it so much so it fits, not slips out of that. Now this is a magnet, this is a shield, and I have attached this thing. Move, and when I throw it like this and like this, you can do it. Like this, you can throw it, and like this, it comes back. Yeah, free. Like this, and free. And it joins like this. Yes, it joins like this. So that was the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the video, and don't forget to ring the bell icon for more updates. Then bye for now. Bye for now.